The first time I did it with Sandra was Dubai a couple of years ago, and it was a very interesting experience because apart from talking about things I do on projects and approaching like a very different culture with themes and topics that I'm very interested in, and I found out that going out of my culture or out of my world to explore was really exploring, and it was like an opportunity to learn more than an opportunity to teach. So that makes interesting the whole trip and the whole exploration and exchange with people from locations I have never been to.